Woo! Give it up for the wonderful Varun for right now. And of course, John, I remember you taking up a challenge at a radio station once where I asked you to lift me and you guessed my weight correctly. Of course, the weight's grown now, so I'm not going to ask you to lift me, but some amazing stunts. Let me just say that you've looked fantastic and you've really given this movie all your best. Do you want to tell us what making Dishoom felt like right from the start to now?
Well, it felt fantastic. Varun and me, I've always mentioned before the release that our chemistry is beautiful in the film, and we hope that we can go on and on and on this because we really get along genuinely off the screen, and I think that's very important. And we've got actually two more heroes in this film who are here. And first of all, congratulations to Eros. They've really pushed me specially to market the film, and
Absolutely.
and also to all the media in general, barring a few dimwits, but all the media in general, you'll have been absolutely fantastic and very supportive. And very important, two very important people here who we'd like to call on stage. The producer of the film, Sajid Nadiadwala, and the director of the film, Rohit Dhawan, because Varun and me have been going everywhere and fronting this whole thing. I think today is the day we actually call the people who are responsible for making this film happen. And I think they're discussing their next film, so they're not here yet. And the surprise we'd like to give all you people here, which we didn't mention, is this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Varun and me are going to be at some of the theaters all across the country, very close to you, and we're going to surprise you. So for all the people who are going to go and watch Dishoom, they're going to have a surprise and see Varun and me in the theaters. And I'm sure Varun's going to be very happy doing that. So we really want you to go out and see the film this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because it's going to be really special.
So the
That's
plan is that
amazing.
we'll just get into the theater and come and sit down near someone.
If there is an empty seat,
Just-
suppose,
If there is,
then you sit.
eat some popcorn from someone.
Eat some, no popcorn. Huh?
Okay,
Just
no
sit,
popcorns
yeah.
allowed.
जॉन आपके सामने इधर आपने कई बार ये जिक्र भी किया था कि डिशूम का कई सीक्वल बनना चाहिए और कई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में भी कहा था, तो आपको लगता है जैसे वायरफ ने एक धूम की फ्रेंचाइजी का प्लेटफॉर्म सेट किया, उस तरह से ये भी फिल्म कर चुकी है, या आपको लगता है कुछ होगा इसका?
नहीं, आई फील 100% होना चाहिए, लेकिन दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन हमारे जो प्रोड्यूसर है साजिद और हमारे जो डायरेक्टर है रोहित, उन पे ज़्यादा डिपेंड करता है. इफ़ रोहित फाइंड्स द परफेक्ट स्क्रिप्ट और मिस्टर साजिद नडियाडवाला को ग्रीन लाइट करना पड़ेगा उसको, बिकॉज ही इज़ गॉट अ कमर्शियल सेंस ऑफ क्या चलेगा क्या नहीं चलेगा. आई थिंक एज एक्टर्स वरुण और मैंने काफ़ी डिस्कस किया है. हम लोग तो अपने आप में डिस्कस करते हैं कि हमें पार्ट 2 में ये करना चाहिए वो करना चाहिए, बट वो कोई मायने नहीं रखता टिल दे फाइनलाइज. तो वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट डूइंग इट, और मेरे हिसाब से इट शुड बिकम अ फ्रेंचाइज.
Varun and John, hi, I'm from Singapore and I'm here. Varun, I think I interviewed you a couple of days back for an online portal in Singapore. Yes. So, Dishoom, it's a very iconic action-oriented word in Bollywood. So, it's always Dishoom or Dishoom. Who are your icons when it comes to action heroes or action in Bollywood? Who do you really look up to? Like, I want to do Dishoom like this hero or this icon.
Well, I think there are. Internationally, I can speak about internationally because he really influenced me to get into films, and that's Stallone. Sylvester Stallone is someone I really look up to, and I've always told Sajid, you have to introduce me to him because he's had the good fortune of working with him, and I'd love to meet him one day. And I think in India, there are a number of actors, I think, from the old times, I think Dharmendra was absolutely fantastic. He was a man's man. And I think as recent as Akshay Kumar is a real khiladi, and he's absolutely fantastic. So I think we've had some, Sunny Deol is absolutely outstanding.
हेलो जॉन, आपसे सवाल है. आपकी जोड़ी हमेशा वरुण, अक्षय और अभिषेक के साथ पसंद की गई है, तो हम ये माने कि ब्रोमांस में आप उस्ताद हैं 2 हीरो वाली फिल्म में.
Romance में.
हीरो को रोमांस करने में उस्ताद है ये.
how many heroines are there in the industry? I mean, there, yeah, but there are so many more heroes. तो उनके साथ ही मैं bromance करूँगा. But no, but honestly, I think I'm very, मतलब not in the wrong way, but I'm very comfortable around men, and and मुझे अच्छा लगता है because.
I'm just going to leave you right there,
Sounding like
boys.
Sameer Ghazi,
Have your
yeah.
moment like, yes, a man
Sameer
only.
Ghazi. नहीं, but I think I genuinely.
इसे लड़कियां बहुत पसंद करती है लेकिन इसे लड़कियां बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
I just think it's bonding, and I get along very well with Abhishek, with Akshay, and with Varun. I really get along well. Well, I told Sajid I haven't signed on any film after Force 2. He's saying you're waiting in the slips. So I think perfect. इन्होंने जो कहा वो सही कहा है कि मैं slips में खड़ा हुआ भी, and I'm just waiting for something interesting. I don't know what's going to come my way, but like every actor, I think I'm hoping for a good script.
That's a personal question.
Are you saying I am not dressed very well? And
That's
all
a
of us are
personal
not dressed
question,
very well?
Varun.
Yeah.
I borrowed shoes today. Yeah, he usually tells me before any press conference, he says, John, Varun. He says, don't wear chappals and come here. John, aaj nahi yaar, please. I say, okay.
Yeah, आ जाएंगी, I'm telling you. So just.
Can I ask the
Somewhere
last
special,
question,
yeah.
please?
Definitely, we'll be planning to call some of our friends who've supported us during this film and do something. I think Sajid sir and Rohit are very reclusive. They don't get out much. So we'll and John to the most. So maybe we'll have to plan it in a gym if we want John to come. If we keep the success party in a gym, you'll come, John?
We'll
his
keep
house
it
will
in
come.
my house. We'll keep it in my house. So I know at least
Your house
Varun
is
will
a
be
gym.
there, but definitely 3 of us will be out there.
This one's for you, John. Hi. Congratulations to everybody first.
Thank you, ma'am.
You know, the new age actors like Varun, they're all rounders. There's action, there's comic timing, there's romance, there's, they're good in everything. And you have an edge over action. So if very non-biasedly, we are supposed to ask you, who will you pass the action baton to? You know, we know the equations of you have with Varun, he's like your little brother, but not, so be not partial.
Actually, I wouldn't want to pass it on at this point of time. Genuinely, I think I'll keep it and I'll own it and I'll enjoy it. I'll savor every moment of it. I've got
Someone will
forced
have
to.
to fight him till the
We
end to
love
get
you
it
seeing
back
in
from him.
action, John.
Thank
We
you.
love
Thank you, my
But-
love.
but
Thank
if,
you.
If you really had to pass on the baton, come on, one name.
I'll tell you a couple of, definitely I think Varun's, and I'm not saying this because he's here, but I've seen him. This is the first time he's done action. He's done a fantastic job. I think Tiger's lovely. And I think from the youngsters, I think these two boys are absolutely fantastic. But like I said, Akshay would never have passed that baton on because he's fantastic. I wouldn't do the same because I enjoy that space. And just as much as we enjoy it, I hope, like you're saying, I hope there's a whole lot of youngsters who really enjoy that space as well, as much as I do, and not get hurt.
Hi, Urvi here from Pink Villa.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Varun, since you and John both have been accepting Dishum challenges from everyone, we received a lot of requests from your fans who said that they want you and John to do this Akshay and Saqib selfie from the film. So that is a Dishum challenge from you guys. For you guys, will you all be doing it?
The Belfi, you mean?
The pelfie, yeah, the pout selfie.
I'll use a mic only.
There's a phone over
I'll send you. Here you go.
Do you have your phone?
Here you go, John.
First we...
They did it just for you. Pink Villa, that was just for you.
Only for Pingville.
I think we're done with the questions, and I'm sure you've asked them everything that you needed to. I'm going to leave the men to actually step up forward, and you can get your photo opportunity right now. As always, the media has been so kind and so gracious. Let me take that for you, gentlemen. Thank you.